Print-on-demand businesses make the most money during the holiday season. And if you don't know what print-on-demand products you should sell, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now more specifically, if you are looking to learn how to create a Shopify business, whether it is dropshipping or print on demand, make sure that you indulge yourself into my YouTube channel where you get all the how-tos, trainings, and even tutorials on showing you exactly how to get started. Now with that being said, now we are entering in the holiday season. And when it comes to the holiday season, most people start thinking about buying gifts for their friends and families. And this creates a huge opportunity for print-on-demand businesses because after all, people want to sell or buy gifts that are memorable and have a meaning to that gift itself. And that being said, right now, it's a huge opportunity for anyone to actually create a print-on-demand business to start making money online. However, not every single print-on-demand product is going to sell during this upcoming holiday season. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 print-on-demand products that you should start selling immediately to make the most money during this holiday season. But before I get into the details, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So that being said, what are the top 5 products that you should sell in your print-on-demand business? Let's start with the most obvious one first. Number 1 is hoodies. Now, I'm not telling you to sell t-shirts because after all, t-shirt is not one of the best gifts for people to receive during the holiday. However, if it is a hoodie, the perceived value is a lot higher and it looks much better gifting it to someone. So with that, people are okay to actually spend an additional $10 aside from a t-shirt. They actually get a hoodie as a gift to their friends and family. Now, it's super important though. Whatever you have on the design of the hoodie should be talking or specifically tailoring towards those that are going to be receiving the gift itself. So that being said, maybe if you want to actually have the parents to buy it as a hoodie and the kid loves gaming, then obviously you want to go after the gaming targeting and also going after parents as well. Now, product type number 2 is onesies. People love to buy gifts for newborns. And obviously, onesies can do phenomenally well. It's a token of appreciation and people absolutely love receiving gifts for their newborn baby. And this also creates a huge opportunity because after all, people that are buying onesies as a gift, they want to actually have a specific message on that onesies itself. So again, think about selling onesies in your store and targeting people that are looking to buy onesies as a gift. Now, product type number 3 are puzzles. People love it when they receive puzzles of a picture of either them and the person that they're going to gift it to. So let's say for an example, if you want to actually buy a gift for your parents, maybe you can actually have a photo of you and your parents onto a puzzle that you actually gift it to when it comes to the upcoming holiday. And again, print on demand now has the technology to simply create print-on-demand puzzles. All you gotta do is simply upload a photo and it will automatically help you create a puzzle that you can actually sell it right in your store as a gift. Now, product type number 4 is going to be mugs. People love mugs, and especially receiving a gift that is specific about mugs can do phenomenally well as well. But again, The design on a mug is going to be very different than the design that you have on a hoodie or a onesie. There's got to be a very simple design, but a powerful message right on the mug so that when the person actually gift the mug to their friends and family, they actually have or see that specific message on a daily basis. And that can do absolutely superbly well when it comes to print on demand. Now, last but not least, they're scented candles. Scented candles are now actually being placed right into the jar, and right outside the jar, you can actually have a print on demand graphic or photo right on the actual glass jar itself. And that makes it a superb holiday gift for people to actually buy and gift it to their friends and family. So that being said, these are literally the top 5 products that you should absolutely start selling right in your print on demand business. Now, if you are brand new and you have not created a print-on-demand business yet, I will highly encourage you to take this opportunity to create one and simply sell one of these 5 items right in your store. I'll leave some links in the video description right down below that you can actually check out, where you can actually get your print-on-demand business up and running and actually start generating sales even before the holiday is going to be coming up. But here's the most important part. You gotta remember, print on demand all boils down into the actual design. It's not really about the product. After all, products are pretty generic. People can actually buy anywhere. But what makes people want to actually buy your product as a gift or buy it for themselves all boils down into the design itself. And when it comes to the design, it must have a powerful message and meaning that the person will be emotionally attached to. Once you're able to actually find that breaking point, then from there on, your print-on-demand product can really skyrocket from there. So that being said, again, if you are wanting to actually make the most money during this upcoming holiday, make sure that you sell one of these 5 products and let me know in the video description right down below what your thoughts are. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.